Hi, this is Wizzy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to hide your liked reels on friends feed on Instagram. Before I get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. The new Instagram Friends tab appears if your reels fit in the mobile app but not in the website version of Instagram. At least now, at the top of the screen, you should now see two options. One that say Reels, another called Friends. The first one show you a steady stream of Reels created according to your preferences and the interactions, while the second one displays the activities when people you follow and you following back, okay, your friends, activity like reels or repost or comment. And what if you want to hide it? It's very simple. First of all, of course, we have to open our reels, Instagram. After that, you can go to your profile. Now you can tap on the up right corner, the three lines over here. From here, you can just scroll down until you find there is an option Activity and Friends tab. You can just tap on that. So by default, followers that you follow back, they can see your likes and comments on Reels in the Friends tab. But if you don't want anyone to see that, you can just choose on No One. So no one can see what Reels that you comment or like on the Friends tab in here. It's very simple, right? So if you want to hide it, you can just go to Activity Friends tab and choose on No One. So that is how to hide your liked reels on Friends tab feeds on Instagram. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.